Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at William Ford Elementary, home of the Falcons here in Dearborn, Michigan. This is my second time here. I got to speak to the second, third, and fourth, and fifth graders today. And it was all about positive life choices. So I was here last school year talking about bullying, looking at someone's heart first before anything else, and treating people like you treat your best friend. But today's focus was more about treating our own self as our own best friend, that we are kind to ourselves, talk positively to ourselves, and have a really positive attitude, because being our best self, right, is believing in our ability, believing in our worth, the fact that we're all true miracles, like the M in all of our poems. I talked about that too. M for miracle, W for William Ford, no, for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And we truly have to believe that and have to buy into that. And once we do, then we help other people see that they're true miracles and kind of be that light to their heart as well. That's part of it, because being our best self is obviously believing that we can do anything, right? That we have that full potential to do anything. But then it's also encouraging others to be their best, that we might be great at math or art or music or gym or anything else, any other subject, and that's awesome. But now we have to help somebody else get to that same level as us, right? Lift them up higher than ourselves. And even when we go through tough times, like the shirt says here, keep your head up, upside down on purpose, that we make it a point to never give up and to always really think positive no matter what, right? And so many students came up to me at lunch today. I got to stay for all the lunches too, and they just said, hey, Mr. Peace, I wish I had this talk when I was in fourth grade or third grade, because sometimes they thought that, they really didn't amount to as much as what they thought they could be, and maybe they believed lies that people said they weren't good enough or that they couldn't do something, but they know now that those are lies and that they can do anything that they set their mind to, that we are responsible for the effort, and that just doing our best is perfect, and that excellence is not being the best, but it's all about doing our best. And at the end of the day, that I'm only responsible for my efforts, that I can just give my best and my own abilities, my own talents, my own skills, and just be the best version of myself, right? And that's what we're trying to do, is do our best and know that together as a team we can achieve more. So we help others out in this same process, and whether it's a problem or a situation or a game or anything in life, that we can really help each other reach those common goals. So again, it was a beautiful day. Thank you so much for touching my heart. You guys are awesome. It was so great to see you again. Hope to be back again to share my heart. Until next time, and as always, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the link that's going to pop up here. Hit the notification bell for future notifications on videos, and you can check out the playlist here for other amazing videos about my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time, along with the website link too. Much love. Peace.